Today I drive from Santa Rosa out to the coast. I've seen the movie The Birds more times than I should admit, but I've never stood where it all happened, Bodega Bay. This is where Hitchcock turned a sleepy stretch of coast into a living nightmare.
Hello, welcome to the next chapter. I'm your host, Reva Stewart.
The drive starts through these lovely hills. Oh my goodness, it was such a nice drive. But the hot air fades and each mile becomes fog until just about everything is covered. I go down to North Salmon Creek Beach where the Pacific is loud.
Okay. What are people building out of driftwood? Well, it was an 80-degree day until I got out here to the ocean and time to put that hoodie on.
But the reason for the trip? Here we are, Bodega Bay. When Hitchcock came here in the early 60s, locals said the set felt ordinary until it didn't. There was no music, no wind, just wings. He used silence like a weapon.
Well, the restaurant has been remodeled, but this is it. This is the shop where Tippy came when she first got to Bodega Bay. Too bad they don't have the phone booth still.
It's been rebuilt and reimagined. It's not that cute little restaurant. It's been expanded, but it still feeds visitors who pretend not to look over their shoulders. Inside, there's a gift shop full of gulls frozen in mid-screech, and out back are the real ones, louder and greedier. Oh, wow, you can see the sea lions. Finally, the last prominent thing from the film still standing, the schoolhouse.
There it is. There's the school. It's so small. Wow. I wouldn't have thought. I thought, it just looks so big.
Yes, the playground is gone, but the schoolhouse is still here. This was my favorite scene with those kids running and screaming and birds pecking them in the heads. That was amazing.
That's it for this chapter. Thanks for joining me. Please subscribe to be notified of any new episodes. Remember, life's too short to be anything but happy.